Got to be quick.
All right, set the timer. 20 minutes max. Having 3 hours left, and I've got Jess, the world's slowest shopper. So I think she's going to get distracted as she walks through. Jess and I knew the travel time was about 2.5 hours. That's cutting it very fine because we have to submit this piece by 3 o'clock.
To see how far away she is, I'm panicking because we only got an hour and 15 left.
Hello.
So how you going? What time are you due back?
I don't...
Like right on 3.
14:56. We're due back in 2 minutes to spare.
I'm starting to get a bit concerned, Mel.
I'm feeling very, very anxious. The roads are long and windy, and we just don't know if we're going to get there.
We're cutting this statement piece so fine, I can feel my hair just getting a little greyer every minute that passes by. It's a disaster. I don't think we're going to get back.
Hey.
Hey darling, how you going? Do you have an ETA by any chance?
Yeah, like 2 minutes to 3.
No, it's 3:01.
3:01.
This is like hold on to your horse's style. Come on!
1 minute. We've got 1 minute for it to grab it, unwrap it, and get it out.
Ah!
I just hear this car flying in the driveway, toot toot.
3 minutes to spare.
Where's Jared? Where do we have to put it?
I don't care.
Where does it have to be? Go, go, go.
Go to the bin. You said the bin.
Where? Here. Oh my God.
She runs it over. We submitted it. She made it. I like the colour.
Thanks, babe.
Is that right?
Oh,
Done?
Done.
Good job. We did it.
Oh, talking about stressing me out for nothing. Come on, up.